Okay, what we have? We have one additional area, AOTBrowser. First of all, we should populate the objects. After that, we can just type what we want to find. For example, push table. And we can find table or and class and form what started from this name. For example, for table, what we can do, we can just investigate some fields, type of these fields, and name of these fields groups, and most used it is relation between some tables and so on. From form perspective, if you try to find, for example, forms, we can put it again. And we can find this push table form. Then we have access to data sources, for example, in a dim and so on. Then most interesting part is design. We can open main page, grid for example, and investigate what field related, what data source and so on. Additional, you can see extensions, for example, SCM inside extension, and it's selected like bold, and we can see not only general table but with extensions too. What interesting, it is view source, and we can find some method find sources if we have it. Data source methods, and we can just see methods how it works. We don't know how it works in tier 2 environment, tier 2 plus, but from investigation how investigate existing functionality, it looks very good. If we talk about table browser, we can go to the table and press open table browser. In this case, we can see all records from entire table. What else? Additional, if we already on some form, we just can right click form name, and we see one additional button open in AOTBrowser. If you open it, we go into AOTBrowser and can investigate our form, and more we already own the element what was selected. What else? Additional, this is Arbella Tech product. From license, we can use it in commercial use, can distribute, and can private use. This is free source. We can just get this model and put it on our AOT and use it. And that's all, probably. Back. Very interesting how it works from form. Yeah, we can investigate query, view data entities, for example data entity, and we can see keys for this entire entity, tables and fields. What fields? Use it. Yeah. From form enums, most common questions about enums, what values this enum have. how to say no has additional. We can investigate security, role, duties, privileges, and we can understand what is mapped for what object. And if we were return back to the form, my favorite data source, which line? No. Yeah. It can be developed more. For example, we can add somehow for this form just only press open table browser and open it, but in current stage this model give a lot from scratch, from the box, sorry, from the box. That's all.